helping Google understand your website content. It's really important that the content you're creating, or in this case, let's think more in terms of a blog, that it's well structured and well organized. I'm going to give you an example. Hands up who has a specialist knowledge subject that they write for or know about in great detail. Talk to me. No, not at all. I don't know what you're doing.
No, my business is a service about how to enable organisations to make their environments more ethical. So it's all about
Okay, so I might put you on the spot just a little bit. So if you were going to create content for your website, and let's say you wanted to educate somebody, what would be a good title for a blog post on your website?